Okay, welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to become a teacher in the UK. So, reasons to become a teacher. You love teaching young people. You love imparting knowledge, serving the community. You have a real passion for your knowledge. Reasons not to become a teacher. The money. The holidays. And if you dislike working with young people. You have to like working with young people, otherwise there's no point in working with young people. And it also helps to have a good sense of humor. Qualifications. What kind of qualifications do you need? GCSE Maths and English, degree in your specialist subject area, your PGCE, which stands for Postgraduate Certificate of Education, your QTS and QTLS, which stands for Qualified Teacher Status and Qualified Teaching and Learning Status. So what's the difference? So with QTS, it's accepted everywhere. QTLS is accepted in further education and higher education. QTS, undergraduate degree, which you will need. And QTLS, level 4 or 5, and a sector competence in your industry. QTS allows you to teach younger students. QTLS allows you to teach post-16. It's actually post-14 in some areas. Work experience. Work experience in a school or college. Get as much work experience as you can, because the more experience you get, the more it will help you to gain an understanding of how schools and colleges work, what the dynamics of the classroom are, and how best to help them. Nothing will prepare you better than a classroom experience. DBS, the all-important DBS. So, disclosure and barring service. Don't get into trouble with the law. Simple as that. Because if you do, you will seriously hurt your future prospects and opportunities. Schools and colleges are very strict with anyone with a criminal record, regardless of which conviction. They simply won't take the risk. You will be tested. As a new teacher, you will be tested on many levels. You will have to have expert subject knowledge because students will ask you all sorts of questions. Students will have different needs. So how will you differentiate and meet the needs of your learners? So, in the next video, I want to discuss going through the process of helping you find a decent teaching job. So things I'll discuss are presenting your key skills in your CV, contacting recruitment agencies, and completing applications direct from schools and colleges. So if you find value in any of my videos, please support this channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you want to be notified, hit that notification bell every time I upload a video. That's it for today. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.